How's it, Kelly?
I'm good, and you?
Sure.
What camera is this one?
It's Drum Magazine online. Okay. So you have an album, you have a book, you have a reality show. How does it feel to be Kelly Khumalo at the moment?
Good. I'm very excited. I feel very blessed, and I'm also humbled by all of this. It's not all the time where you fall so hard and get up so quickly, you know. And I thank God for everything that I have now, and I just feel blessed.
Okay, so at what point did you decide that, look, now I need a turnaround strategy in my life?
It's not even a strategy. It's realizing who I am as a person and staying true to myself as a person. And this is all me. There is no twist to anything. This is who I really am. The person that the country is yet to see.
Okay, so would you say now Kelly Khumalo has arrived?
I have arrived. I have arrived. I have arrived.
Okay.
Whether you want to hear it, whether you want to say it, or whether you want to feel it, I am here, and I'm here to stay.
Okay. So what do you normally say when people like comparing you to Kanye Mbau and stuff like that?
Hey, people would do and say what they want to say, but I know who I am. I am who Christ says I am.
Okay. But do you have a problem with it?
Hey, it's their opinion, not mine. At the end of the day, I know who I am.
Okay. So at this moment in time, if you would maybe get a chance to change something about your past, what would you change?
I would not change anything, because everything that has happened in my past has brought me to the woman that I am today. So I wouldn't change a thing.
Okay. A lot of people are wondering how your relationship with your father's baby is at the moment in time. So what would you say to them?
Non-existent. He doesn't exist in my life.
Okay. So are you saying that you're no longer in touch with each other and stuff?
I have not seen him in ages. In fact, I would prefer that you don't ask me about someone that's not part of my life. Ask me about things that are important to me and things that are in my life.
Okay. Okay. So what's the next move from here, Kelly? Because it looks like the green light is on your side now.
What's the next move? I don't know. I'm just relying on God to show me what the next move is. Wherever He takes me, that's exactly where I'm going.
Okay. So how long did it take you to finally put everything together and launch everything like at the same time and roll it out?
The plan was not to launch everything at the same time, but at the end of the day, we can plan, but God plans the best. So He wanted everything to just happen at the same time. We were hoping to release the album before the reality show and then have the book after the reality show, but it turns out that everything is happening at the same time, which is what God wants and what God grants. Who are we to actually to come against?
Okay, so what is it that you would like to tell your fans at this moment in time?
What I would like to say, find who you really are, because your greatest treasure is in who